In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post video on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create or upload a product video, write a clear description, add your product link, and publish it so viewers can shop directly. Start by opening your TikTok account. From the home screen, tap the plus icon at the bottom center to create a new post. This is your doorway to recording a fresh product video or uploading one you've already prepared. Before you hit record, make sure your product is ready to be showcased. Set it in a clean, well-lit area and frame it vertically so it fills the screen. Wipe away dust or fingerprints and think about the key features you want to highlight, what it looks like, how it's used, and what makes it worth buying. Keep your shots steady and your message clear. Short, simple clips with close-ups often perform best, and natural light or a small ring light can dramatically improve how your product appears on camera. If you already have a finished video, simply tap Upload to bring it in from your camera roll. You can trim the clip, adjust the cover frame so it's eye-catching, and use on-screen text or captions to emphasize important points like size, color, or use cases. Avoid cluttered visuals and loud music that distract from the product. Next, enter the description of your product. Write a concise, helpful summary that matches what viewers see in the video. Include the product name, key benefits, materials or specs if relevant, and any essential details that shoppers often look for. Use clear, everyday language so people instantly understand what you're offering. Keeping your description accurate and consistent with your shop listing builds trust and helps viewers feel confident about buying. Now tap Add Link. Here, add the specific product featured in the video. Select the exact item from your TikTok Shop catalog so the link matches what you're showing. Double-check the title, options like size or color, and the thumbnail so shoppers land on the right page without confusion. This link is what turns your content into a shopping experience, letting viewers move from discovery to purchase in a single tap. Once everything looks good, click Post. Your video will go live with the product link attached, making it easy for viewers to watch, learn, and buy right away. That's all you need to successfully post a video on TikTok Shop and connect your audience directly to your product.